Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Tech Deliver. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix blurry apps in Windows 11. If you've ever encountered apps that look fuzzy, pixelated, or hard to read on your screen, you know how frustrating it can be. It can affect your productivity, your eyesight, and your overall user experience. But don't worry, there are some simple solutions that you can try to make your apps look crisp and clear again. Let's get started. There are several reasons why your apps might look blurry on Windows 11. One of them is that your screen resolution or scaling settings are not optimal for your monitor size and pixel density. Another reason is that your font settings are not using ClearType, which is a technology that improves the quality of text on LCD screens. A third reason is that your graphics settings are not using the best performance mode for your apps, especially if you're using a laptop with integrated and discrete graphics cards. And finally, a fourth reason is that your graphics drivers are outdated or corrupted, which can affect how Windows renders graphics on your screen. Fortunately, you can fix all these issues by following some simple steps. First, let's check your resolution and scaling settings. Go to Settings greater than System greater than Display and scroll down until you see the scaling option. Click on the menu and select a value that matches your monitor size and resolution. For example, if you have a 27-inch 4K monitor, you might want to choose 150% scaling. This will make everything on your screen bigger and clearer without losing quality. You can also adjust the resolution by clicking on the menu below the scaling option and choosing the recommended value for your monitor. Next, let's enable ClearType for blurry text. Go to Settings greater than Personalization greater than Fonts and click on the related Settings drop-down button. Then click on Adjust ClearType Text and make sure Enable ClearType is checked in the window that appears. Hit Next and run through the ClearType text tuner to make sure that your display is set up for the best results. You'll need to pick the text samples that look best to you to tune the way Windows renders fonts on your display. Now, let's enable high-performance graphics settings for blurry apps. Go to Settings greater than System greater than Display greater than Graphics and select the app that looks blurry from the list or browse for it by clicking on the Browse button. Then click on Options and choose High Performance in the window that appears. Hit Save and try launching the app again. This should cause Windows to use more power and resources for the app, even if you're using a laptop connected to battery power. Finally, let's update your graphics drivers if none of the previous steps worked. Go to Device Manager by right-clicking on Start and selecting it from the menu. Then expand Display Adapters and right-click on your graphics card name. Choose Update Driver and follow the instructions on the screen. You can also check your graphics card manufacturer's website for the latest driver updates and download them manually. And that's it. You've just learned how to fix blurry apps in Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful and informative. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more tips and tricks on Windows 11. Thanks for watching and see you next time.